and welcome to Lockdown Aerobics Season 5, and we're up to day number 11. Woohoo! Well, as you can see, it's not very a good day today. It's heavily raining, it's overcast, it's cold, but does that stop us doing aerobics? No, it doesn't. So we're going to get underway now. So get into your pose. Are we ready? Are we feeling good? Okay, let's go. Jumping on the spot. Here we go. Get those legs up, arms up. How are you feeling? Good? Right, now we're going to put them out on the side. Then up. Now we're going to put them out the side and go around in circles. And then back the other way. Come on, get those legs up. Let's get a good workout. Starfish to the side. This way. And jumping up on the spot. Come on, get those legs up. How are we feeling? Good? And to the side. We get into this. We go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more jogging on the spot. We're nearly there. Arms out to the side. To the side. One more. Get those legs up. Nearly there. And stop. Get down to our pose and warm down. And back and up. And we're done. So there we go. That's what we call rain aerobics. No matter whether it's raining, whether it's thunder, whether it's lightning, we still do the aerobics. And I'll be back tomorrow. Bye!